Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Our channel name is Easy English and Maths with me Lata. Subscribe my channel friends. Today we are going to do the problem chapter 1 Relations and Functions. Relations and Functions 10th standard. State board syllabus 10th standard. Relations and Functions exercise 1.1 chapter 1 friends. So yesterday last class we have discussed about the problem number 6. Let A is equal, let us take down the problem. Already subdivisions 1 and 2 has finished. Now we do the third subdivision. So I hope you remember. Please see the previous videos. So the problem is A is equal to x, where x belongs to whole numbers, where x is strictly less than 2. Strictly less than 2. Strictly less than 2 now, which is nothing but a whole number. So it is starting from 0, 1. It is A. Then B is equal to set of natural numbers. X belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers ko whole numbers ko there is a difference. Whole numbers is starting from 0. Natural number is starting from 1. So natural number 1, where x lies in between equal to 4 less than 1. So greater than 1 equal to 4. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன எழுதலாம்? 4 வந்துரும் கண்டிப்பா, 3 வரும், 2 வரும், x ஓட values 2 3 4 மட்டும் தான். Natural numbers b is equal to c is equal to direct values as given to us. So it is 3, 5. So it is 3, 5. Verify. என்ன verify பண்ணணும்? Already a cross b union c is equal to a cross b union a cross c has verified. A cross b union c is equal to a cross b union a cross c has discussed already. So it has verified on previous classes. So second subdivision is, this is the first subdivision. Second subdivision is a cross b intersection c is equal to a cross b intersection a cross c. So it has also verified. So the third case, third subdivision we are going to do here right now today. So it is a union b. It is a union b cross c is equal to a cross c union b cross c. So we are going to do this part here today. So here I write a is equal to 0, 1. Then b is equal to 2, 3, 4. Then c is equal to what c value is 3, 5. So we do the problem here. Let us take down the solution part. Right now we are doing the solution part friends. So what is the question? It is a verify. So we divide the both into 2. So one is LHS and another one is RHS. So this part is RHS and this is LHS. This right hand side, this left hand side. So A union B cross C, which is equivalent to, எந்த part put equivalent to verify பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. verifyனா verifiedா இல்லையா நம்ம proof பண்ணி காட்டணும். அதான் அப்ப A cross C union B cross C, A cross C union B cross C. So first வந்து bracket குள்ள இருக்கறத எடுத்துக்கிறோம். A cross A union B. What is A union B? A is 0, 1 union. What is B is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? அப்படியே யூனியன் பண்ணினா ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். It is called union. அப்ப 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is next? Next step is cross product of C. What is C? C is 3, 5. So this into 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3, 5. So 0 ஆல 3, 5 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம். 1 ஆல 0, 3, 5 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம். 2 ஆல 3, 5, 3 ஆல 3, 5, 4 ஆல 3, 5 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம். We are going to get A union B cross C friends. So let us do the part here. 0, 3, 0, 5. So this part, then 1, 3, 1, 5. Then 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3, 3, 3, 5. Then 4, 3, 4, 5. So it is A union B cross C. It is LHS. So let us move on to the RHS part, which is first we are going to find out what is A cross C. A cross C, what is A? A here is 0, 1. Cross product of what is C? C here is 3, 5. Then multiplication 0, 3, 0, 5. Then 1, 3, 1, 5. Then A cross C, union B cross C. It is a union. Then B cross C. What is B cross C? B here is 2, 3, 4. It is B. C is 3, 5. C is 3, 5. Then cross product 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, then 4, 5. Then we are going to write this A cross C union B cross C. So it is this one and here this all the three. So what we are going to get 0, 1. This implies 0, 1. It is 0, 1. What else here? A cross C union B cross C. A cross C, yes, A cross C union B cross C. It is 0, 3. It is 0, 3. Here, 0. Sorry, it is not 1. It is 0, 3. 0, 5. Then 1, 3. 1, 5. Then 2, 3. 2, 5. Then 3, 3. 3, 5. Then 4, 4. 4, 5. So it is RHS. So what here? 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 5. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5 here, 4, 3, 4, 5. So all the pairs what we have in LHS, it is equivalent to the pairs we found out A cross C union B cross C. So it is obvious that it is verified. It has verified. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. It is shown. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. ஏன்னா வெரிஃபை தானே கேட்டிருக்காங்க நம்மள. ஸோ ஹென்ஸ் இட் இஸ் வெரிஃபைட். ஸோ ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நீங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்கள் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை. டவுட்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். நிச்சயமாக உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறேன். டியூஷன்ஸு, ஆன்லைன் டியூஷன்ஸு, இல்லை நீங்கள் வந்து இங்கே படிக்கிறதா இருந்தால் கூட நீங்கள் மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்கள். லெட் மீ சி. Thank you friends. Myself Lata, YouTube channel UTO Space TV, Universal Temple Organization TV and Easy English and Maths with me Lata. Thank you friends.